and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. So as today is another BBR Sunday and today I have the life-changing book which is of course going to change our life, which is one of the 5 books of the Dale Carnegie's best book series. And so the book I have is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Now this is a very important book and this is so much big book. So that's why, as it has so many of these important points, we are going to make 3 parts of this video. So of course you're watching the part 1 video, part 2 and part 3, then come on next Sunday at sharp 5 PM IST. So quickly let's get started, because this book is of course going to open a very big success secrets way for us, and also those perfect examples and points to get to know us that how to stop worrying about small things which can actually affect our life. Okay, so quickly let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to give you all, first of all, it's BBR My Review with the hashtag BBR Experience, hashtag Flashman, and by the end of this video, I'm also going to give you all 2 bonus idioms to use in your daily conversation. Now this is of course a part of the hashtag Target English Challenge. So quickly let's get started. 24th BBR is our bridge, so let's start the video in a swish. The first here comes is BBR My Review. So there's a Swedish proverb in this book that states that very often gives a small thing a big shadow. Now it does happen that the causes of various diseases we have is tension, depression and worry. And this book states that we worry on such small things and we actually worry of the things which were in the past, that happened in the past, and also about our future, that what is going to be our future, what will we face, etc. But the thing is, why are we taking this? I mean, now the past, we can't change it. Now in my Alchemist review, I had also told these points. So if you want to watch it, you can see the video. So why do we do this? Like, the past has already gone, so we don't have it in our hands and we don't know anything about the future, and we can't also kind of predict the proper thing that is going to happen exactly. So what can we do? This book tells us seize the day or enjoy the day. Wise men take the day which we have in our hands, that is today. The new day is the new beginning of the life. So what you have to do is just take all of those memories of that, what happened in the past, away for a side and just focus on the day. Because by just thinking that, hey, it was my past, what will happen in my future, today's day will be totally wasted, and today's day will also go in the past and we'll think, hey, why didn't I do something and on that day. What you have to do is seize the day. Now I must tell that as we are making this video in 3 parts, because this book has about 10 different types of parts divided in this book, and this is about 30 chapters. Now the part 10, which is the last part of this whole book, has about 32 true stories of how the people conquered their worries. So of course this is the part 1, which is an introduction video for some of those basic points we must know for this book. Tells us that it is actually not like that hard to just do one thing at a time or just do one thing of that day. Now it happens. Now I'm going to give you an example from this book. Now there was a man who was really very worried about his future, about what happened in this past and how he can overcome everything, how he can come from his comeback and how he can just do everything again successful. And then he just saw his wife happily washing dishes. Now he right then realized that what he was doing. Now you'll say, what is the story? It is that the man was trying to wash all the dishes. Like the dishes here represent his problems and his things he wants to do. All the dishes from the past years in just one time. Now if he does that, he'll actually get very tired and miserable. But what his wife did is she did one task a day. That is that task of the day she did at that time. So it felt not like much a heavy task to do. So he got that. Now leave everything which was back at back and let's start a new beginning. That is, let's do what the thing today we have today, or we have to do it tomorrow, and it will be a back-breaking task. Of course, if you are doing everything, like just imagine that you have a week's different types of dishes to wash, how much will you think about it? So what you have to do is slice and dice these tasks and complete the task at this very moment. Now if you want to know more about this, how to improve productivity and everything, you can see this video here. It has very nice ways to stop procrastination too. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some of those tips. Now, as this book is so huge and there are many techniques and tricks to banish worry, I'm going to give the first part. To banish 90% of all our worries, these are the 4 steps we must do. First is take in your mind precisely that what is your worry, what kind of worry you have. Now next is what you can do of that worry. Think on it. The third is make a plan, like what things should I do to make this worry a little bit less. Now fourth thing is take immediate action to complete and just take out that worry from your mind. Now take action, which is the need of just taking out that worry out of your mind and everything, so that you can get out of that worry, as this book is based on how to stop worrying. This book is totally based on these topics and has various different types of examples to tell you how people actually got that worry weed out of their minds. So this was my review, and of course, as I've already told, that this is the introduction part, so you've got a little bit of how to handle worry, and you've got the subject we are going to tell in more these 2 parts, that is part 2 and part 3 are going to come in the next Sundays at sharp 5 p.m. IST. So let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt or what you learned in the comment section with a hashtag BBR experience, and the next what you have to do is just put down your comments, and then the comments which I love are going to get a shout out with the title hashtag flashruns, and also the comments I love without the hashtags are going to get the shout out in my every fixed BBR video. So let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. So now a big flash screen of the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, and so these were the hashtag flashruns of hashtag BBR experiences. I do hope that you all just loved it, and I'm looking forward for all of them because I love reading all of your comments. So let's move to the last part of our video, which is 2 idioms for you to use in your daily conversations. So the first idiom I have is every cloud has a silver lining. It means even in the darkest past there is a hope of positiveness and there is a hope of light. Now example that Emily said to Harsh, who was actually very sad and depressed because of these kind of situation going on. She said every cloud has a silver lining, don't worry, everything will be clear very soon. So the second idiom I have is selling ice to the Eskimos. It means doing something that is unnecessary, or kind of doing something that is really kind of they have it but still they are doing it. Example, he was such a smooth talker, I think he could just sell his ice to the Eskimos. And so that was all from me for all of you today. I do hope that you love this video, and of course be alerted and be tuned and notified, cause part 2 and part 3 are going to come in our next Sunday. So don't forget to stay tuned on every Sunday at sharp 5 p.m. IST, and also some more KST and GMT times are in the comment section with my pinned comments as always. And so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every notification from me and all of those videos coming up. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our video and our review and want more and more like these life-changing reviews. Of course, don't forget to check out these video series which are of BBRs, and they are all of the Dale Carnegie book series books, so don't forget to watch them too. And so happy watching, happy learning, and